Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to accept Apple Pay payments in 2026, here is the clean truth. Apple Pay doesn't connect directly to Hostinger Website Builder, it works indirectly through Stripe using Hostinger's native payment system. The good news, when set up correctly, Apple Pay works automatically, no code, no hacks. Below is the only supported way to connect Apple Pay on Hostinger Website Builder in 2026. So first thing first, create and activate a Stripe account. So this is required. So go to Stripe, okay? You have to open that website. So create or log into your account, complete business verification, activate your account. This is very important. Apple Pay will not work on unverified Stripe account. So now connect Stripe to Hostinger Website Builder first. So log into Hostinger each panel, go to website, edit website, open store and payments. Choose Stripe, click connect Stripe and log into Stripe and authorize Hostinger. Connection confirmed equals Stripe active. Okay, so enable Apple Pay inside Stripe now. So look into your Stripe dashboard here in your account. Go to settings, go to payments methods, find Apple Pay, enable it, usually on by default. Stripe automatically verifies your domain. HTTPS is required. Okay, Hostinger provides this. You do not need to register separately with Apple. So add products or services, this is required. So Apple Pay will only appear if there is something to pay for. In Hostinger Website Builder, add products or add services, set price, currency and checkout enabled. Okay, so Apple Pay appears at checkout when supported. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.